Hello, everyone, and welcome to Conversation English Beginners. Today, you will listen to a short story in English. This story helps you practice English listening. Are you ready? Let's start.
Leo is a young man. He lives in a big, busy city. His life is normal. He works in a small office. In the evening, he sees his friends. They eat pizza and watch movies together. One night, Leo walks home. The sky is dark and strange. Suddenly, a big, green light flashes in the sky. The light comes down very fast. It hits Leo. He feels very, very warm. Then, everything is black. Leo wakes up on the sidewalk. He feels okay, but different. He wants to go home. He starts to walk. Suddenly, his legs move very, very fast. In 3 seconds, he is at his apartment door. He is scared. What was that? He thinks. The next morning, Leo tries to walk to the bus stop. He thinks, I want coffee. Whoosh! In 1 second, he is at the coffee shop. He does not control his new power. He is scared and confused. Leo decides to practice. Every night, he goes to an old, quiet park. He practices running slowly. He practices stopping. After 2 weeks, he can control his speed. He feels happy. This new power is a part of him now. One day, Leo sees an old woman. She is crossing the street. A car is coming very fast. The car does not stop. Leo runs. He is a green blur. He takes the woman's arm and moves her to safety. The woman is safe. She says, "Thank you. You were like a green flash." Leo smiles. This feels good. Now, Leo helps people. He stops a thief. He helps a lost child. People in the city talk about the green flash. They say he is a hero. Leo is happy. But a bad man is watching. His name is Mr. Grime. Mr. Grime wants power and money. He sees the green flash on TV. He thinks, I want that power for myself. One evening, Leo is in the park. A big, black car stops. Mr. Grime gets out. He has a strange silver net. "Hello, green flash," he says. "Give me your power, or I will take it." Leo is scared, but he says, "No. This power is for helping people." Mr. Grime throws the net. Leo jumps away. He is very fast. The net hits a tree. The tree turns black. Leo runs away. Mr. Grime follows in his car. The police also follow Mr. Grime. Leo hides. He is safe for now. Mr. Grime knows Leo's name now. Leo is worried. He meets his friend Maya for pizza. A tall man comes into the pizza shop. The man looks at Leo. He talks on his phone. Leo knows this is bad. Leo goes to the bathroom. The man tries to open the door. Leo climbs out the window. He is in a dark alley. He remembers Maya. He cannot leave his friend. Leo runs. He runs around the pizza shop very, very fast. He grabs Maya's hand. "Hold on," he says. In 3 seconds, they are at Maya's apartment. Maya is shocked. "What? How?" she says. Leo says, "Go inside. It is not safe. Do not tell anyone." Maya goes inside. Leo runs away. Leo needs help. He finds Dr. Anna Reed. She is an old scientist. She knows about the green light. She tells Leo the story. The green light is called solar flash. It is clean energy. Mr. Grime and I worked on it. It was unstable. There was an accident. I was hurt. I left. But Mr. Grime did not stop. Dr. Reed says, the energy is a part of you now, Leo. You are living energy. Mr. Grime cannot just take it. It will destroy you. Suddenly, two big men come to Dr. Reed's house. They are Mr. Grime's men. Leo tells Dr. Reed to hide. The men break the door. Leo uses his speed. He pushes the men onto a sofa and a chair. They are shocked. Leo says, "Tell Mr. Grime to face me himself." Then he runs away. Leo knows he must find Mr. Grime. He goes to the tall tower of Grime Industries at night. He runs up the side of the building. He stops at a big window. He looks inside. Mr. Grime is there. There is a big, silver machine. It looks like a spider. There is a woman in a white coat. And there is Maya. She is tied to a chair. She is scared. Mr. Grime sees Leo at the window. He smiles. It is a trap. Leo does not break the window. He uses his power on the glass. The glass turns to sand. Now he is inside the room. "Let her go," Leo says. Mr. Grime says, "No. This machine takes your energy. If you run, you become weak." Leo feels tired. The machine is pulling his energy. He must be smart. He moves his hand very fast. A green light cuts Maya's ropes. "Run, Maya," he says. Maya is brave. She throws a computer at the machine. Crash. Sparks fly. The machine stops. Leo feels strong again. Mr. Grime is angry. He turns to Maya. Leo runs at Mr. Grime. He is a green fist of light. Thump. Mr. Grime falls against the machine. The woman in the white coat runs away. Sirens are loud outside. Police cars are coming. Leo holds Maya's hand. Time to go. They jump out the window. Leo's feet run down the side of the building. They are a streak of green light. They land softly in a dark alley. Maya is safe. A few days later, the city is different. The news says, Victor Grime is arrested. The police have the machine. They will destroy it. Leo meets Dr. Reed and Maya in the park. The sun is shining. Dr. Reed says, "The energy is still in you, Leo. What will you do?" Leo looks at his hand. A small, happy green light dances on his palm. He smiles. "I will help people," he says. "I will be a friend who can be there very fast." Maya smiles. "And you will not do it alone." Leo is happy. He is the green flash. He has friends. He has a home. His story is just beginning. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like learning English, please subscribe to Conversation English Beginners. This channel helps you practice English with simple stories and easy words. See you in another story. Goodbye.